Okay, let's dive right into this. I want you to just imagine, for a second, having a full team of researchers, writers, graphic designers, and presentation experts working for you around the clock. Literally 24/7. Now imagine you don't have to spend a single dime to employ them. Sounds like a complete fantasy, right? But look, in the digital landscape of 2026, it is an absolute reality. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to build that exact $0 powerhouse team for you.
So what if your team was actually free? Well, today we are exploring 5 completely free AI platforms that you seriously need to try in 2026 to make that happen. This curated toolkit handles everything, and I mean everything, from the very first spark of an idea all the way to high-end visual design. It's basically the ultimate cheat code to scale your productivity without scaling your budget.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the $0 AI toolkit as a whole. Second, we dive into the brains, that's writing and research. Third, the visuals, design and art. Fourth, instant AI presentations. And finally, the best part, we'll snap them all together into the ultimate free content workflow. Let's get to it.
Starting with Section 1, the brains, writing, and research. It's time to meet ChatGPT and Perplexity.
You know, a lot of people actually confuse the use cases for these two heavyweights, but they serve very distinct purposes. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is your all-in-one assistant and your creative brainstormer. It's built for writing, analyzing files, summarizing, you name it. Perplexity, on the other hand, is your meticulous, fact-checking researcher. It actively searches the live web and delivers conversational answers backed by actual, verifiable citations. Let's look at a practical application for ChatGPT. If you throw in a prompt like, create a 5-minute YouTube script about how AI is changing education, it doesn't just give you a flimsy outline. No, it generates the complete script instantly. And beyond that, the free version even allows file uploads now. That means you can drop in these massive, dense PDFs and have the AI instantly extract the vital takeaways for you. It's a massive time saver. But when you need verifiable facts and current events, you've got to turn to Perplexity. Ask it something like, what are the latest AI trends in 2026? And you get a fundamentally different experience than your traditional search engine. The AI synthesizes current web data into this highly readable answer, complete with footnote citations. Honestly, it's an absolute must-have for investigating topics without falling down a rabbit hole of dozens of open browser tabs. Moving on to Section 2, the visuals, design, and art. We are elevating text to imagery with Canva and Leonardo AI.
First up here is Canva. Now, you probably already know it, but its recent AI integrations for generating and editing designs are just next level. It is hands down the best tool for quickly throwing together thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, the whole shebang. Even if you have absolutely zero graphic design experience, Canva's free plan completely empowers you to create professional-looking assets in seconds.
The best part? You never have to stare at a blank screen ever again. By simply entering a basic prompt, like create a futuristic YouTube thumbnail about AI tools. Canva's AI generates a foundational design for you to work from. From there, you just dive in, right? You customize the fonts, you swap out images, you slap on your branding. It just completely removes all the friction from the design process.
And then we have Leonardo AI. So if Canva is your everyday graphic design studio, Leonardo AI is your high-end, visionary concept artist. This platform is specifically dedicated to creating purely AI-generated images from scratch. It is absolutely brilliant for creative artwork, highly specific visual ideas, or concept designs that you just literally cannot find in a stock photo library. If you've got a wild, imaginative visual concept in your head, Leonardo AI is the tool to bring it to life.
The secret sauce here lies in your descriptive power. Prompting it with something like a futuristic city at night, neon lights, flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, well, that acts as your creative brief. Leonardo AI processes the mood, the lighting, every specific adjective you use to render an absolutely incredible cinematic visual. You act as the art director, and the AI, it's your rendering engine.
All right, Section 3, Instant Professional AI Presentations. We are wrapping it up with Gamma.
We all know creating a professional presentation usually means hours of agonizing over formatting slides, aligning text boxes, and picking colors. But when you use Gamma and simply type, create a 10-slide presentation about the future of artificial intelligence, the AI immediately goes to work. It saves you from all that formatting headache and visual hierarchy nonsense.
Gamma operates on this extremely rapid transformation process. You literally just start with a simple text idea. Then, during the generation phase, the AI figures out the structure, the layout, and the flow for you. Moments later, you have a finished, structured deck that's ready for your final tweaks.
It provides such a powerful head start for pitches, lessons, or business reports. It's a total game changer.
Finally, Section 4, the ultimate free content workflow. Let's build the master assembly line.
Okay, so here is how you snap all these distinct tools together into one seamless assembly line. Step 1, use ChatGPT to brainstorm your core script or idea. Step 2, run those topics through Perplexity to lock down your current data and reliable sources. Step 3, open up Canva to quickly design an eye-catching thumbnail or header. Step 4, drop your newly researched text into Gamma to instantly format your presentation. And Step 5, use Leonardo AI to inject highly specific, custom visuals into that presentation. By connecting these tools in this exact order, you have just built an end-to-end content workflow for absolutely $0.
Now, before you run off to start building, just a quick practical note. While this entire workflow can absolutely be initiated for free right now, AI platforms frequently adjust their free tiers, their generation limits, and their premium paywalls. So always make sure to verify the current terms and usage limits when you set up your accounts, just to keep your workflow running nice and smooth. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive. So my final question to you is, which of these platforms are you going to try first? Will you draft a brand new concept with ChatGPT, fact-check a wild claim with Perplexity, design a graphic in Canva, build a full deck in Gamma, or maybe generate some crazy cinematic art with Leonardo AI? Whatever it is, don't just absorb this information. Take action, go experiment, and start building your $0 team today. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and here's to working a whole lot smarter in 2026.